Man, this place is looking good, and there's no tracks here either. I haven't been here for a week, so we're gonna look this real good later. This is kind of a cool piece. It's probably a window out of a trailer or something. It's glass, and it's got all them cool stickers on it. I'm gonna take that. AAA honor member and AA plus VIP member, them are kind of vintage. I'm gonna take that. That's cool. But look at this bank, man, that looks good. I'm seeing. All right, I found another old dump. You can see the glassware in here. Most of it's buried, the old style brick. It's a good place. Check a car apart or something. Looking real good. There's fire rock coming out in here too. Look, there's an old spark plug. Let me get my coffee down here. It's hard holding this. I'm tired today. Another old spark plug. We'll find them in the dump. Man, there's a lot of stuff laying in here. See how when you pull them rocks away, that there's stuff hung up in there, all them little pieces of metal, there's a little hook. It's a good way to find stuff. Pulling stuff off like this. You can rake with a wee little tiny hand rake too, right in this stuff. Well, anyway, later, there's another spark plug. There's two right there. An old one. Later. Well, I'm telling you what, this is the biggest cut stone I've ever seen, and you can see the chisel marks in it. This is like a megalith block. Look at that. Weighs thousands of pounds. It goes down in the ground about that much more too. And look at that. That's huge. That might be an old block where people used to get up on it to get on horses. Man, I'd like to have that, but there's no, you'd have to have a bulldozer to get that out. Later. All right, I'm still walking along. Got a car. It's washed out here. Doesn't look that old, but oh, it's a truck, a John Deere one. That is cool, and it's metal. The body's metal, but the bed's metal anyway. We'll get this in and get it cleaned up. Awesome. Later. All right, I don't know if you can see this, but I got a good one. No tracks on this spot, and this is probably an Amos. It's close to where I find all of them. Check this out. It's whole. You can see it right there. Let's flip this out. Oh man, this is a nice point. Check it out, folks. I'm on fire. Oh man. Might have one little weird ding, but it don't matter. Oh, the material is beautiful. Oh, it's nice. Check it out, folks. Beautiful point. That's an Amos. It's just, I'll show other ones maybe, and I'll do a video of finds. I have some from a cache that aren't serrated. It looks like a knife. See that one edge here? That was probably used. That's nice. It's a nice point. Later. All right, I just walked up on a football and it's still holding air. It's a McGregor softy. That's good. I have hundreds of these in a big like barrel. I find them all the time, but I got a football You know, this is made within the last 10 years, I would say. Some kids probably lost it. Man, it's in nice shape. And this, and an Arrowhead in 40 minutes. Can't complain about that. Well, anyway, later.